Yoga Parijayam Lehyas. Today we can discuss Agastya Rasayana, Amrita Prasha Leha, Kushmanda Rasayana, Drakshadi Lehya, Dashamola Haridage, Manibatra Gula, and Kalyanaka Gula. First Haridage Rasayana or Agastya Rasayana from Ashtanga Hridaya, Chikilsasthana, Chapter 3, Kasa Chikilsa. ദശമൂലം സ്വയം ഗുപ്തം ശംഖപുഷ്പീം ഷഡീം ബലം ഹസ്തി പിപ്പലി അഭാമാർഗ പിപ്പലി മൂല ചിത്രകാൻ ബാർങ്കി പുഷ്കരമൂലം ച ദ്വിപലാംശം യവാടകം ഹരീതകി ശതം ച ഏകം ജലപഞ്ചാടകെ പചേത്. So two pala each of Dashamula, Swayam Gupta, Shankapushpi, Shadi Bala, Hasti Pippali Abhamarga, Pippali Mula, Chitraga Bargyan Pushkara Mula. With one Nadaga Yeva, Haridagi 100 by number, and all are boiled in 5 Adaga water. Yeva Swede Kashayam Tam Pudam, Tacha Abhaya Shadam. Pachit Guda Tulam Dattva Kudavam Cha Pradagridat, Tailat Sa Pippali Churnat Siddha Shide Cha Makshika. When the Yava becomes well cooked, Haridagi is taken out of the decoction and again cooked along with Guda or Jaggery 1 Tula and 1 Kudava of Grida Taila, powder of Pippali Churna and Makshika or honey. Leham Dvecha Abaye Nityamadaha Ghaded Rasayana. This confection or lehya consumed daily in the dose of 2 abaya or haridagi per day is a rasayana or rejuvenator. So the dose is 2 abaya or 2 haridagi. Tad vali palidam hanyad varna ayu bala vardhanam panchakasan kshayam shwasam sahitmam vishamachvaram Meha Gulma Grahani Arsho, Hrudroga Aruchi Pinasa. Vali Palidam, dispel wrinkles and graying of hair, bestow Varna color or complexion, Ayu Bala Vardhanam, Panchakasan, cure 5 kinds of cough, Kshaya conception, Shwasa dyspnea, Hitma Hikka, Vishama Jvara, irregular fever, Meha diabetes, Gulma abdominal tumor, Arsha hemorrhoids, Hridroga heart disease, Aruchi or anorexia, and Pinasa nasal catarrh. Agastya Vihidam, Danyamidam, Sreshtam Rasayanam. This Rasayana, formulated by sage Agastya, is a best rejuvenator or Sreshta Rasayana. Next is Amrita Prasha Rasayana or Amrita Prasha Lehya. Is an Ayurvedic lehya preparation and prepared using the ingredients of Amrita Prasha Grita, and it has almost all properties of the Grita. And the reference is Ashtanga Hridaya Chikilsasthana, Chapter 3, Kasa Chikilsa. Jeevaniyo Ganaha Shundi, Vari, Veera, Punarnava, Bala Bhargiswa Gupta, Riddhi, Shadi, Tamalagi, Kanaha, Sringkadagam Payasyacha Panchamulam Chayalegu. Draksha Akshaudadi Chafalam Madhura Snigdha Brahmanam Taihi Pajed Sarpishaha Prastam Karshamshaihi Slakshana Kalkidaihi Kshiradhatri Vidhari Shtu Chaga Mamsa Rasanvidam. Medicated ghee is prepared with the decoction of drugs of Jeevaniya Gana, Shundi Vari Veera, Punarnava Bhala Bhargi, Swagupta, Riddhi Shadi Tamalagi, Kana Srinkadaga, Payasya and drugs of Lagu Panchamula. And nice paste of Draksha, Akshoda and other fruits which are sweet, unctuous and nourishing. 1 prasta of Gridha, milk, juice of Datri Vidhari Ikshu, and juice of God's meat. Prastardam Madunaha Shide, Sharkara Arda Tula Rajaha, Palardagam Cha, Marija Tvak Ela, Patra Kesaram, Viniya Churnidam, Tasma Lihyan Matram, Yadha Balam, Amrita Prasha Midi, Eden, Naranam Amrdam Prashyam Gridam. After it cools, half prasta of madhu and half a tula of powdered sharkara, half pal of marija, tvak, ela, patra and kesara are added. This recipe known as Amrita Prasha Grida, consumed in the dose appropriate to the strength of the person, acts like Amrita or nectar to human beings. Anuparam, Kshira, Mamsa, Rasashina. It should be followed by milk, meat soup, and rice mess as food. സുധാമൃതരസം നഷ്ടശുക്രക്ഷതക്ഷീണ ദുർബലവ്യാധി കർഷിതാൻ സ്ത്രീ പ്രസക്താൻ കൃശാൻ വർണ്ണസ്വരഹീനാംശ്ച ബ്രഹ്മയേത് കാസഹിത്മാ ജ്വരശ്വാസ ദാഹതൃഷ്ണ അസ്ര പിത്ത നുത് പുത്രദം ഛർദി മൂർച്ച ഹൃദയ യോനി മൂത്ര ആമയാവഹം. So Krishan Brahmayet, it makes a person stout, Nashta Shukra, who are debilitated by loss of semen, Kshina, injury and disease, Stri Prasaktan, who are indulgent women, Karshidan, who are emaciated by consumption, Varna Swara Hina, who have lost their color and voice. It cures cough, kasa, hitma, hiccup, Jwara, fever, Shwasa, dyspnea, Daha, burning sensation, Trishna, thirst, Rekta, Pitta, bleeding disease, Chardi, vomiting, Murcha, fainting, Hrit, Yoni, disease of heart, vagina, Mutra, Amayabaham, disorder of urine, Putradam, bestow male children. Koshmanda Rasayanam. This is also from chapter Kasa Chikilsa. Veda Tvak Asti Kushmanda Tulam Swinna Punaha Pajit Ghattayan Sarpishaha Praste Kshaudra Varne Atra Chakshibe. Kushmanda, removed of its skin and bones, that is seeds, 1 tula by weight is baked in steam, and it is cut into small pieces and fried using ghee till it assumed the color of honey. Kshaudra. Gandashadam Kanashundiyo Dvipalam Jiragadabi Trijada Dhanya Marija Avadharida. So to it are added 100 pala of Ganda, 2 pala each of Kanashundi Jiraga, half pala each of Trijadaga Dhanya and Maricha. Shidecha Tattva Kshaudram Gridhardagam Gajena Madhyacha. After it gets cooled, honey, half the quantity of grida, is also added, churned well with a ladle and preserved. Stabayam Tannihandi Ayu Ubayojidam Nihandi Ubayojidam Kasa Hitma Jwara Shwasa Rekta Pitta Kshadakshayan Pradak Arda Palamshakam Medha Spriti Balapradam Uraha Sandana Jananam Ashvibhyam Vihidam Hrityam Kushmandaga Rasayanam. Used in appropriate dose daily, it cures kasa, cough, hitma, hiccup, jwara, fever, shwasa, dyspnea, rektapitta, bleeding disease, kshada, injury to chest, kshaya, consumption, uraha, sandana, jananam, heal the ulcer in the chest, medha, smriti, bala, pradam, bestow intelligence, medha, memory, smriti, strength, bala. And this is formulated by the Ashwini twins. This Kushmanda Rasayana is a tonic to heart. Drakshadilekhya. Drakshaprastham Kanaprastham Sharkararda Tulam Tadha Dvipalam Madugam Shundim Tvakshirim Cha Vichurnidam Datri Falarasa Drone Tat Kshiptva Lehavat Pachit. From Panduroga Chikilsa. Powder. Churna of Draksha 1 prastha, Kana 1 prastha, Sharkara half tula, Maduga Shundi Tvakshiri 2 pala, added to 1 drona of juice of Datri phala and cooked to form to an avaleha. Shidan Madhu Prastha Yudat Lihyat Pani Talam Tadaha Halimagam Pandurogam Kamalam Cha Niyachadi. After it cools, 1 prastha of Madhu is added. And the daily dose is 1 pani dala, that is 1 karsha. And indication is Halimaga, Pandu and Kamala. Dashamola Haridage. Dashamola Kashayasya Kamse Patya Shadam Pachit Datva Gudadulam Tasmin Lehi Detyad Vichurnidam. Trijadagam Trigadagam Kinchicha Yava Shukajam. 100 number Patya, Dashamola Kashaya 1 Kamsa, Guda 1 Tula, 3 Kaduga, and little quantity of Yavak Shukaja or Yavak Shara. Boiled and made avaleha. After it cooled, half prastha of honey is added. And this is from chapter 17, Shvayatu Shobha Chikilsa. Indication. Pravritta Shobha Jwarameha Gulma Karshya Amavada Amlaga Rekta Pittam. വൈവർണ്യ മൂത്ര അനില ശുക്രദോഷ ശ്വാസ അരുചി പ്ലീഹ ഖരോദരം ച. ദിസ് ലേഹ്യ ഈസ് യൂസ്ഡ് daily cures pravardha shobha advanced edema jwara fever meha diabetes gulma abdominal tumor karsha emaciation amavada rheumatism amlaga gastric acidity രക്തപിത്തം bleeding disease vaivarnya abnormal color of body മൂത്ര അനില ശുക്രദോഷ disorder of urine flatus and semen ശ്വാസ dyspnea aruchi loss of appetite or taste pleha disease of the spleen gara homicidal poisoning and udaram enlargement of abdomen. Next is Manibhadra Guda. Vidanga, Sara, Amalaga Mamayanam. Pala Trayam, Trini Palani Kumbad, Gudasya Cha Dwadasha from Kushta Chikilsa. So Vidanga Sara, Amalaga, Abhayana. It is Abhayana. Vidanga Sara, Amalaga, Abhaya. Together 3 Pala. And Kumbha 3 Pala. Gudasya 12 Pala. They are mixed together and Avaleha is prepared. മാസമേഷ ജിതാത്മനം ഹന്തി ഉപയുജ്യമാനഃ കുഷ്ഠശ്വിത്ര ശ്വാസകാസ ഉദര അർശോമേഹ പ്ലീഹ ഗ്രന്ഥി രുക് ജന്തു ഗുൽമാൻ. Consume daily in suitable dose for 3 months by the person who is self-controlled in respect of food, drinks, etc. and cures kushta, leprosy, shvitra, leukodama, shwasa, dyspnea, kasa, cough, udara, enlargement of abdomen, arsha, hemorrhoid, meha, diabetes, pleha, disease of spleen, granthi, pain of tumor, intestinal worm, and that is jendu, gulma, abdominal tumor. Siddham yogam praha yaksho mumuksho bihi biksho pranan mani bhadra kile mamam. That is, this efficacious and restorative formula was revealed by Yaksha Manibhadra for the benefit of bhikshus who desire moksha. Kalyana Guda. വിടങ്ക പിപ്പലി മൂല ത്രിപല ധാന്യ ചിത്രകാൻ മരീച ഇന്ദ്രയവ അജാജി പിപ്പലി ഹസ്തി പിപ്പലി ദീപ്യകം പഞ്ചലവണം ചൂർണിതം കാർഷികം പൃഥക് ച അഷ്ടഫലോന്മിതോ തില തൈല ത്രിവത് ചൂർണ ഭാഗോ ധാത്രി ഫലരസ പ്രസ്ഥാം സ്ത്രീ ഗുഡാർദ്ധ തുലാൻവിതാൻ ഫ്രം വിരേചന കൽപ്പ കൽപ്പസ്ഥാന അഷ്ടാംഗ ഹൃദയം. 1 karcha each of Vidanga, Pippali Mola, Tripala Dhanya Chitraga, Maricha Indrayava Ajaji, Pippali Hasti Pippali Deebyaga, Panchalavana, all these are powdered. And 8 pala tila taila, 8 pala powder of Trivar, 3 prastha, juice of Datri Phala, and half tula is Guda is added. Paktva Mrudu Agnina, Ghade Tado Matra Amayandranaha. All these are cooked over mild fire to form a lehya and is to be consumed in the prescribed dose without adhering to any control of diet or activity. Kushta Arsha Kamala, Gulma Meha Udara Bagandaran, Grahani, Pandurogamsha, Handi Pumsa Vanascha, Sa, Gudaha, Kalyanago Nama, Sarveshu Rudushu, Yaugikaha. It cures kushta, leprosy, arsha, hemorrhoids, kamala, jaundice, sudara, abdominal tumor, meha, diabetes, gulma, enlargement of abdomen, fistula in ano, that is a bagandhara, grahani, disease of duodenum, pandu, anemia, and acts as a pumsavana. And this Kalyana Guda is suitable in all seasons. Sarva Rudushu Yaugikaha. Thank you for watching my video. For more updates, please like, share, subscribe my channel. Thank you.